From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening, I'm student meteorologist Emmett with your CNET evening forecast. Now if you take a look outside your window, or even above at the live cam above the Hub Robertson Center, you can see it's raining outside. You might want to grab that rain jacket, that umbrella, maybe even your windbreaker, because we have winds of about 14 miles per hour. Our temperature is about 59 degrees with a visibility of 4 miles. And the icon shows that it's thunderstorms. However, it's mostly raining outside. We haven't heard too much thunder here in the valley. The surrounding temperatures are about the same with 64 degrees around most of the area. In Selinsgrove, they got 66, and Harrisburg with 68. Down in Philadelphia, they have about 70 degrees. And up in Erie, there are 50 for the area for the state with 53, and in Pittsburgh they have 68. The temperature change over the past 24 hours has been quite large. For Erie, they've gone down 9 degrees. For Pittsburgh, they've only gone up 2, but those are insignificant compared to the plus 27 in Allentown and the plus 24 in Philadelphia. For us here in State College, we've had a plus of 16, so those temperatures are really going to start to heat up throughout the rest of the day. The weather advisory for us is going through most of the central portion of the state. This is caused by this long band of storms that is moving through, and this band runs down past West Virginia, and it's accompanied by this little cell down in Virginia and North Carolina. This is caused by the low pressure system sitting above the Great Lakes and up in Canada, which is really just causing all of that severe weather down in the southeast. Our current wind speeds are about 14 degrees here in State College, 26 in Philadelphia, 18 in Pittsburgh, and 20 in Erie. Our future weather shows that most of the state throughout tomorrow is going to be covered in clouds. For the northwestern portion, they can expect some scattered snow showers, and for in the southeastern portion, you can expect some pop-up rain showers here and there. As you move later into the day, those pop-up snow showers are going to maintain. However, the clouds and the rain showers are going to move away early evening for Friday. And by midnight on Saturday, we can expect the clouds to clear up besides Bradford, Williamsport, and Scranton, making for a fairly cool night. And the future radar shows that some clouds are going to move in on Saturday, and then this system is going to move through and cover us on Sunday, really just sticking with us throughout the entirety of the day, bringing with it a lot of rain. However, it's going to move out around midnight on Monday. Our conditions for tonight are going to be about 41 degrees with mostly cloudy skies and winds of 10 to 17 miles per hour. For tomorrow, we can expect 44 degrees with partly cloudy skies and chance showers with winds of 8 to 15 miles per hour. And for the 7-day outlook, we can once again expect chance showers for Friday, overcast for Saturday, showers for Sunday. We get a brief break from all the clouds and the showers on Monday with a high of 51. However, the warmer temperatures return, but that is accompanied with some rain from Tuesday into Thursday. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I've been Emmett Ricker. Have a wonderful evening.